Did you know a full-scale European war started because a man pulled his own ear out of a jar in Parliament? In 1731, Spanish coast guards boarded a British merchant ship in the Caribbean. They accused the captain, Robert Jenkins, of smuggling. Then one of them grabbed him, sliced off his ear, and told him to take it to his king. Jenkins kept that ear, pickled, in a cloth, for 8 years. Then in 1739, he walked into the British Parliament, unwrapped it, and placed it on the table in front of everyone. Parliament lost its mind. Britain declared war on Spain within months. Other powers chose sides. France joined Spain. Austria and Prussia got pulled in. What started with one severed ear grew into the War of Austrian Succession, one of the largest conflicts of the century, lasting 9 years and reshaping the entire European map. Borders changed. Empires shifted. Tens of thousands died. All because one man held onto a grudge and his ear just long enough.